4-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include leather seats, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, ultra-low emissions vehicle, dual-pane panoramic power sunroof. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Eclipse Cross. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.